Hi, it's me, Teacher Joey, and welcome back to Julian. If you're new here, click the subscribe button to enjoy our educational videos. Today, I'm gonna teach you one song that requires only 2 chords, and it is a hello song. You can use this song whenever you start your class. It's either face-to-face or online class, and I'm sure the kids will love it. But before that, I would like to thank each and every one of you who subscribed to our channel. Thank you so much, and it's now time to celebrate the 2,000 subscribers milestone. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just overwhelmed and happy because today we hit the 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support and for watching and using our educational videos to teach young learners. Thank you, thank you. In the last tutorial, we learned about a song that's entitled If You're Happy and You Know It, and it only required us 3 chords. Today, it only requires us 2 chords, and it's the chord C and the chord G. So let's try to review. The C chord will be on the 3rd fret, 1st string. Use your ring finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. And there you go. And the G chord will be here. Your middle finger will go to the 2nd fret, 1st string. Your index finger or your pointing finger will go to the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. And the ring finger will go to the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Here you go. First. There you go. This is the G chord. We will only use 2 chords, right? C and G. By the way, I'm going to announce the winners of the said contest that I announced a few days ago. And I will be using an app that's called The Hat. I will put the link on the description box so you can enjoy it too. So basically, The Hat will be the one to draw the winners. And this application, you can use this in your class when you are trying to put on oral recitation or performance task or whatever. Try it and your pupils will enjoy it. So this is the song. It only requires us 2 chords, the C and the G. And as you strum it, you're just gonna go down, up, as you go along with the rhythm of the song. Hello, 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 how do you do? After the C chord, let's go to the G chord. I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Let's go back to C. La 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 la. So that's how simple it is. I hope you learned something. Okay, it's now time to announce the winners. Who will be taking the 2 learners kit and 1,500 peso bill? So here I am, guys. I'm going to announce the winners of the teacher's kit and the 500 pesos. So first winner is ta-ta-da-da. It's Ma'am Annabel Ridulfa Abalos. Congratulations, Ma'am Annabel. Contact me and send me your details so I can send you the teacher's kit. Okay, congratulations. Next winner of the teacher's kit. Congratulations, Ma'am Baby Rachel Abelgos. Hi, Ma'am. Congratulations. And the winner for the 500 pesos is... So excited! Milestone Sharag Aredisa Glutes. Parang na-invert yata yung pangalan ni ma'am. Si Ma'am Nestle. Ma'am Nestle. Hi, Ma'am Nestle. Congratulations! So, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining our simple contest. And thank you for accepting our simple prizes. And God bless you guys. And subscribe to our channel. See you again soon. Bye!